Hello, welcome to JS Testing Academy. Welcome to the next part of video in the Playwright series, that is downloading a file. Okay, so right in the past we have seen lot of videos. Now this video is about how to download a file. Okay, now let's create a new class now and name it as download file. Okay, I'll create a main method now. Enlarge the new browser type, then launch options, set headless false, and set channel Chrome. So I just created an Playwright instance here. Then I just initiated, right. It should be a Chromium, right. We should use Chromium, and browser type if you are going to use Chrome, and we are going to make headless as false. Okay, if I give true, it's going to be headless mode. Now I'm making it as in running in an headless mode. Okay, now I'm going to create a new page now. Hope you all saw last videos for a better understanding. Okay, then I'm going to use an navigate method to launch the URL. Okay, now I'm taking this URL. I need to download a file, so that is what is the option here. Okay, I need to download this sample file. So this file I need to download this functionality, which I'm going to do now. Okay, for that we need to write a code now. Let's go here to the Eclipse. First I'll copy the URL. I pasted here. So we should go to that URL first. Then I need to give new page dot. Okay, there is one first night till download. We need to wait. Okay, for that I am using one method called as wait for download. So this method is it will wait till it's getting download, and I'm using a lambda function here. Okay, so this lambda function I'm using this arrow mark, right side arrow mark, this lambda function I'm using. Then I'm giving new page dot locator and the locator of the download button. Then dot click. Okay, so now what I did is, right, I'm just downloading and storing it in a interface called as, right, I store it in a reference called as wait for download. It returns an interface download. Okay, in with the help of a locator I'm locating that particular download button. Okay, now I'll run the code now. Before that, one minute, I need to save the path. Okay, that is important. I need to save the path, the file which I downloaded. I need to save in the project folder. For that, I need to give wait for download dot save as, and the paths class dot get, and I should give wait for download dot suggested name, file name. Okay, what is the suggested file name means, by default the DOM has some file name. Okay, that file name it will save. Okay, so instead of we giving a file name, there is one file name which the people as developer has given. That file name it will take. Okay, so now let's run now the code. Okay, it downloaded, and if you go and refresh the project now, you can see the file name there. You can see, right, the file is been downloaded now. Okay, so this is how we can download the file. The file is been downloaded. Okay, so this is how we can download a file with the help of Playwright. So first I navigated the URL, then I use new page dot wait for download, then the lambda function, then I use new page dot locator of the download button dot click, then I stored it in wait for download, then I gave wait for download, save as path, and get method, and wait for download dot suggested file name, the default file name which the developer has stored. Okay, that file name it will take and it will save in the path of the project. Okay, so hope this video is useful. Thanks for watching this video. Meet you soon in the next part of the video. Have a great day. Bye.